Hello everybody, hope you're keeping well. So yeah, here we go again, back to the golf. Let us begin fixing the other little bits and pieces that we need to do. And this time it's the oil cooler seal. So before we actually start repairing the golf and getting everything back on and sorting it all out, I thought let me try and eliminate any issues I can while the whole front end is off. And it so happens that my coolant has never ever stayed clean. When I first got this car, it used to be nice and the G12 or G13 has that like pinkish sort of color. It used to be nice and clean. It stayed that way, and then it just started getting dirtier and dirtier. So I looked online at the issue, and long ago I thought I might just get it done. Apparently oil from the oil cooler can actually get into your coolant if the oil cooler's worn or old. So I thought, oh my God, if it's not hurting the car, I'll just leave it and see how it gets on. And when you look into the expansion tank, when there's coolant, you see like a glaze of oil on the top, which was a sort of indicator to say, you know what, just get it done. So I thought by Googling and searching and doing my research that all I need to do is change the oil cooler seal, which is not the truth. You have to replace the oil cooler seal if you have an oil leak externally. It has nothing to do with the actual water, the oil cooler seal. So I replaced that, and straight after I thought let me just double check and Google. So when I double checked online, they're like, no, your oil cooler's gone if you're seeing oil in your expansion tank. So I was like, ugh. So I had to strip everything apart again. Luckily, I've got another spare engine in the back of my garden. So I just stripped that oil cooler off. I don't know how long it's going to last. It's a lot cleaner than my original Golf one. And yeah, I had to change it over. So I done the job twice. So for you guys, I suppose it's better. If you guys have an oil leak from your oil cooler, this is a video you can watch. And if you've got the oil issue of it going into your coolant, it'll help you as well. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm ranting on here. And we're back at VW for more parts. Hey, you can understand why they give me this loyalty discount, can't you? Hey, I'm here like once a week. Once something breaks on the Golf, it's like, hey, I'm always here. So yeah, we came to get an oil cooler seal from, I don't know how much it is. I think about £6 odd. I'll show you guys anyway once I go inside and stuff. But yeah, we're here in the Beamer, so enjoying it for the time being. And yeah, let's get our oil seal, check what it's all about. I'm sure you guys are going to be seeing me a lot at this parts desk, because I'm going to have to get coolant and stuff for the Golf as well. And gearbox oil, I think. I might try and service the gearbox on the Golf. So yeah, but it's a nice showroom, this. Alright, so our parts are here. We've got our coolant or oil cooler seal, or rather should I say, I'm getting confused with the coolant underneath there. But yeah, we got our oil cooler seal. That's the part numbers if you need that. And how much was it? It was only, well, as I say, that VW discount that I get, I don't know what percentage it is, but £6 is not bad. And then I just got some coolant for the cooling system, obviously when we've drained it, after this accident and stuff. I've only got one, but I think I might need another one. But I'm gonna sort of flush the system anyway. So for now, I'll buy one, flush the system out, and then after everything's been sorted and no leaks, then we'll get another one, top it up again, and we're good to go. Right, essential tools, hair dryer for your hands because it's so damn cold, and something to sit on. You have to have those things, then we can crack on. And brake cleaner, of course. Decent stuff. Alright, let's get rid of this bumper. So we first have to take this off. Probably get away with leaving that on. I can tell this thing's gonna leak. Maybe not that much though. go. I knew it. So let's leave that for a second. Yeah, let that do its thing. Oil, still clean, look at that. Still clean. After its service, that recent service I did when I did the clutch. Right. So what is this? A 27 millimeter socket. Just gonna get that in there. Try and take that off. It's nice and easy. Nice and easy. I hope that's pretty much it. That's that off. I don't want to take these pipes off if I don't have to, you know what I mean? There we go. So that is our cooler. There's our seal. So let's leave that dangling. That is the seal that we want to change. That there. Yeah. Here is our new one. Looks exactly the same with those two like prong things on the side. So yeah, let's get that changed. I'm gonna let that drip really, but let's use our prong to take that out. Look at it. That's honestly, listen to it. It's solid. Yes. I'm gonna use this just to clean it up a bit. It's not a it's like a wire brush. It's just a lot more less abrasive, rather, should I say. It's just so that this thing sticks nicely there. Just to clean this thing up, I'm gonna put some brake cleaner, because this stuff is like lethal. Just clean it up nicely. Oh yeah, my hands. Hair dryer time. Oh. My hands are freezing. That brake cleaner, damn. Right. Let's open our new seal. So I'm assuming, yeah, it will go on that way. We'll just clean up there as well with our cloth, so that both sides of this thing are clean, really. And this wire brush doesn't sort of come apart, which is nice. It's so like soft, it doesn't hurt at all, you know what I mean? Some wire brushes are really harsh. So when you put a oil filter on, you always put a little slither of oil around the seal, just so that it slides on. I'll just do that just in case. Yeah. So these just sort of are to hold it, I'm assuming. You know, these little prong things, so it doesn't fall off, I'm assuming. So basically it goes like that, I think. Yeah, I'm assuming. Right, let's get it. Right, let's get it back on. Assuming, yeah, it's supposed to go on like that, I'm assuming. Let's just see. Right, let's tighten that up. Yeah, that's it. You can feel it now. It's locked. Right, and let's just put that on. I don't want to have to put a new filter. You can change your filter if you want, but at least you'll get hours on like this. Clean it up and tighten it as well. That's it. I like to have it nice and straight. I don't know if you guys are the same, but yeah. Then we'll just clean off the rest of the oil that's hanging about here. Brake cleaner does the trick usually. Oh, so just have to take everything off again. After doing research, this oil cooler has to come off because that is where our problem is, not the seal. So I have got another oil cooler in the back, which I shall swap over with this one. I'll just take these clips off so you can get the pipes out the way. Not messing with this anymore. Let's get rid of it. It's dripping everywhere. It's one out the way. Look at that. That's not normal, man. That is not normal. I suspect this thing's damaged. I really do. I suspect that is our problem, not the seal. Seal is fine. We'll keep that. Swap it over for the other one. Right. Here's our spare. That's fucking welded on there. Nope. It's actually gone right through the fucking filter. You naughty doggy. Yeah. Wait, right, so let's blast this thing. There you go. Hey, that ain't gonna be fun. Hey. Finally. Okay there. Right. Yeah, let's get this thing off, man. This looks clean, this one. This one looks clean. Let's see. Look at how clean this one is. Sweet, man. Clean that up. Alright guys, what can I say? Hey, my GoPro died, so I had to go put that inside and just carry on. Managed to get our second-hand part from the other motor on here, put the pipes on. So yeah, I mean, you're not missing anything. That's all I've really done since the GoPro died. But yeah, there's our old. I mean, look at it. That just does not look healthy at all. Yeah, this one looks a lot better. So yeah, that's about it, guys. As far as fitting a seal or a new oil cooler or used oil cooler, it's pretty much simple. Take that off, take that bolt off, release that, swap them round, put your new seal on, and bang, it goes back on. Pretty simple video, really. I'm just tired actually because I've been coming in and out. It's been raining, stopping, so yeah. Hey, fun and games of fixing cars. To be honest, I really need a garage. And I don't mean this little thing behind me. I mean like a proper garage. A double lockup or something that you can open all your doors and still be able to walk around the car type of thing. And I could fix my car in my garage. And I'd make a lot more videos, to be honest, because most of the time the weather just stops me in my tracks. So yeah, that's done. So if you guys need to do that to your cars, you know how to do that. The other thing next will be that thing over there. So I'm gonna start putting that back on the Golf soon-ish. Then we'll get the Golf back on the road. Shouldn't take too long, I think. It's only the bumper that's gonna be a pain in the ass, really. Trimming and all that takes time, but yeah, that's it really. Nothing more to say. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys again soon. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.